From one of the most respected companies in the luxury watch world comes this women's Breguet Marine, a gently pre-owned watch that's solid and strong, but graceful and elegant at the same time. Perfect for that important board meeting or for a night out on the town. This impressive piece features a case made of 18-karat white gold, which measures 26 millimeters wide without the crown and 33 millimeters long with the lugs. The bracelet, also 18-karat white gold, uses a butterfly clasp and will fit a wrist up to 6 inches, making sure this charming timekeeper is always firm to the wrist. An automatic movement powers the textured silver-tone dial along with its blue hour, minute, and second hands, and the date window at 6 o'clock. The hands point to Roman numerals as hour markers, rounding out this striking timepiece. 300 watches. Infinite possibilities.